Now for the HTML and CSS part, I have already created the file inside the Visual Studio Code. This is index.html, CSS, which is style.css file. This is the script.js file. And I've also linked this file by using the link tag for the CSS and the script tag for the script file. Now the first thing is we need to actually wrap the entire code inside the container. Right, so we need to create the container, and after that we need to place these particular elements. Coming back to the our version of the application, because I have already launched the project inside the web browser by using the Go Live Server extension. So now here I need to use the container. I need to press the tab key. Inside of the container I need to press the h1 element one, and then we need to provide here a pool system. The first, which is actually the heading, and after that we need to provide the division tag, and then we need to provide the class is going to like pool, right? And after that, inside of the poll we need to provide the h2 element. So this is actually the what is your favorite programming language. We need to copy this programming language code and text means, and I have actually pasted here. Roll as, then you can see what is your favorite programming language heading is now equal to the browser. After that I need to provide here another division tag. So this is a division, and inside of that we need to specify the class. So the class is going to like option, and after that we need to provide the division, and the class is going right, and then we need to provide the input type is going to be like radio, and then we need to provide the id. So id is going to like option 1, right? And then we need to provide the name going to be like poll, and here we need to provide the value is going to be like option 1. So this is option 1, and then we need to provide the label is going to like option 1, and inside of that we need to provide the JavaScript. We need to duplicate this one option, paste it into 3 more times, and this is for the option, and this is for the option 2. This one is also here. We need to change the programming language, which is actually a Python, and then here we need to change the programming language to Java. Then we need to change it here option 3. This is for the option 3, and this is also for the option. Then we need to change it here option 4. This is the option 4, and this one is also option 4, right? Then we need to change the programming language to C++. Control save it. Then you can see we have these radio buttons alongside with its label. Because there is no such direct UI element that will look like this, so that is the reason we need to wrap the radio button and the label inside the division. Then we will style it, and then it will like this. Okay, after that we need to create the button which is submit value. So whenever we submit it, then it's going to display the percentage, right? So make sure you are outside of these particular options. Actually this division, so it is actually ending it here. So make sure you are outside of this particular division. Instead of that, we need to place the button, and then we need to specify the on click event for this particular button. And here I will be using this submit vote, and then we need to provide the round brackets, and inside of that what we want to display inside the button, which is a submit vote. I need to typo vote, and after that we need to create the another division. So this division is for the result. So the result means right now you can see it is not going to be visible because there is no content available inside this division tag. So this is actually the result division that is going to display the data on the basis of the radio button and this particular submit value. So we will display this data by computing with the JavaScript code. Means once we complete with the CSS, then we are going to display this data by using the JavaScript dynamically inside the browser. Alright, so that's it for this particular part of the poll system application. The next part we are going to start with the CSS.